Welcome to the 5th episode of DAFUQ Did I Just Hear? You guys have been sending in some great clips for this series lately, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorites on this channel. Please enjoy.
Give me a slang name for policeman.
Dick.
What did you say?
Dick.
Okay. May we see what he said?
And something twins my share while growing up.
You know, I can't help but think that they both feed from the same place, so I would say mother's breast.
While growing up.
What?
Matt?
What is going on? What is going on?
You smell like a, you feel like a, you taste like a double and a dildo.
2倍楽しい。いただきます。
It's an inanimate fucking object.
You're an inanimate fucking object!
The Senate certainly can bring about a censure resolution, and it's a slap on the wrist. It's a bad boy, Bill Clinton. You're a naughty boy. The American people already know that Bill Clinton is a bad boy, a naughty boy. I'm going to speak out for the citizens of my state who, in the majority, think that Bill Clinton is probably even a nasty, bad, naughty boy.
I suck cock, and I love it. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Also guys, the Amazing Life community is working on another Expect the Unexpected very soon. If you come across a clip this week that would fit the series, help us out by submitting it at my website, link at the top of the description.